If you've been paying attention to the cryptocurrency world, you may have heard the term non-fungible token, but you may not know what it means. Although non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, attracted a lot of attention in 2020, their appeal really took off in the first part of 2021. We will cover all the information you require about NFTs in this video if you're curious about what they are. So, let's start with what does non-fungible mean. The phrase non-fungible describes an item as being unique. Because they have different qualities, non-fungible items cannot be directly exchanged for other items of the same value. As a result, non-fungible goods cannot be exchanged using a uniform system, since their worth is determined by their individuality. Money and other fungible assets can be exchanged with ease due to their consistency. Non-fungible assets, on the other hand, are distinct and one of a kind, which can appeal to collectors seeking to acquire genuinely unique items. Okay, now we can describe what is a non-fungible token. Blockchain technology, the foundation of NFTs, offers a decentralized ledger that logs ownership information and transaction details. Its transparency and immutability make it possible to trace an NFT's ownership history with clarity. Smart contracts are another underlying technology used in NFTs. They are essentially self-executing programs. By automating and enforcing the necessary conditions, smart contracts make it possible to create, manage, and transfer NFTs without the need for middlemen. Token standard implementation is another key component. Through the definition of guidelines and procedures for the creation, administration, and transfer of NFTs, they guarantee compatibility and uniformity amongst various platforms. For instance, ERC 721 on Ethereum is most commonly used token standard for NFTs. The term minting usually refers to the process of creating NFT. Minting transforms digital files into digital assets on a blockchain by using smart contracts. But apart from that, what can NFTs be used for? NFT art. Artists now have a new avenue for revenue generation with NFT art. They can sell one-of-a-kind digital copies of their works, while maintaining the uniqueness and scarcity of each one by tokenizing their creations. NFT games. Used in NFT games as digital collectibles for characters and in-game goods, NFTs may also stand in for tradable virtual real estate among players. This could lead to the development of a gaming ecosystem, where users can make money from their in-game assets, creating a secondary market. NFT staking. By using their NFTs as collateral, users can earn rewards through staking. On some DeFi platforms, this is already possible, allowing NFT holders to keep ownership of their NFTs while earning interest. NFT tickets. Event planners can, for instance, issue NFTs in the form of tickets that offer unchangeable evidence of ownership and presence. NFT tickets may also include special advantages like entry to VIP areas, first-rate merchandise, or unique digital content. Finally, let's quickly present most popular NFT collections. CryptoPunks. One of the first and most well-known NFT projects is CryptoPunks. It was released in 2017 and has 10,000 distinct 8-bit pixel art characters that are created using an algorithm. Collectors are drawn to CryptoPunk characters because of their unique characteristics. Bored Ape Yacht Club. The 10,000 distinct, hand-drawn cartoon ape characters in the Bored Ape Yacht Club collection each have different features. In addition to being collectibles, these digital artworks grant their owners access to private events and online meetings. Decentraland. Decentraland virtual reality platform has a decentralized NFT marketplace where players can exchange virtual lots and other in-game goods. In the metaverse and virtual real estate, this project is leading the way. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.